Alrighty everybody, we got Brian working on the little charger motor, but in the meantime, Brandon is pulling the gas tank off of El Troqueando because we gotta do a return style.
Yeah, doing a return style fuel system.
Oh yeah.
The pump's not just sitting in there building stupid pressure, nowhere to go.
Basically right now we're just dropping this thing out. Alright everybody, so we swapped out some of these little internal fuel lines on the fuel pump, and then we got the return fitting on the gas tank. And now what we're gonna do is just route it up in here, and yeah, that's about it. Alright boys and girls, so this is the turbocharged Chargers motor. So what are we doing to it, Brian?
Putting in some drop-in rods and pistons. Got some nice Molly pistons on there with some alternate rods. Good for about 1,000. Got a little turbo setup on it to make a little bit of jam.
The next day.
What's up, B-Dog? Drew, nigga, what's up? What you got going on here? What you got going on here?
Making up the cam swap on the Chevy SS. Sealing her all up.
Oof.
Getting her back together.
Got the new cam in. He's about to swap the springs out. A little Chevy SS action going on. Check it out, check it out. Got the old exhaust out. Got the new Stainless Works headers. Horrible job of packing, courtesy of FedEx. They beat it all up, but hey, it's there, it's ready. Let's go see what Brandon's working on. Brandon, what you doing?
Get some oil in the twin turbo Mustang.
Twin turbo Mustang. Oof.
Ooh.
Looking crispy, sir. Very good job. Looking good, looking good. Little bottom mount setup. Gonna pull my wheels and tires off. Slap them on as I have some new wheels coming in. Gonna take these little street peelers off.
One day cam swaps, baby.
One day cam swap.
Yeah, I'm slacking. So yeah, twin turbo Mustang is good. Waiting on a tune for her, and then this beast, yeah, she's getting her own video. A little Mustang C7 roller, and so yeah, basically we're just working on pulling the trans out of this guy. Oh yeah, I see movement. Get her strapped up.
Dope, son.
We're at 32.40, not bad.
That's not bad at all. Yeah, I'm literally almost done. I just gotta
Strap it up.
So you broke loose, then.
Oh yeah, perfect timing.
Rusted out muscle cars. What we gotta show for you?
It's out, boy.
It's out. We gotta drop it. Drop it. Hold up.
Once it's down, then.
Once it's down, get her down. What time are we at?
Almost 35.
34.
You're at 34.50. Get it 35. Once it's down towards you, then I'll.
There she comes. 35.
That's I'm gonna say that's 35 minutes because you can't, you know.
Yeah, it's already out. Brandon dropped this tranny in 35 minutes flat.
Bro, flex on real quick.
Oh yeah, boy, you
Kinda
did it.
low-key proud of myself on that one.
I guess 45.
You underestimated yourself. What'd
Yeah.
you say? An hour? I said an hour and 15 minutes.
I said 45. I
Bro.
had faith.
Kinda just shitted on myself. I'm not gonna lie. I'm sorry. I disrespect you. I said an hour.
Pat G just dropped by and dropped a tune in the CTS-V, and we are actually going to head out there to the dyno at the moment, so you guys are going to get a little bit of a vlog at the dyno. So we got him whipping the V right now. Ooh, saucy boy. And yeah, I'll see you guys when we're at the dyno. Then we're getting everything shut down on this boy.